Hello students. Good morning everyone. Good morning. I'm fine Anirban. How are you? This is for all. How are you? Very good. Very good. So, let's start your science class. Good morning. Very good, Saptarshi. Good morning. I'm fine. Ziad, can't you hear me? And others? Have you any sound problem? Good morning, Oishi. So everyone, let's start your science class. Open your science book and open the safety rules. This chapter we already started. Safety rules, 6th chapter. Open the page number 24-25. Okay, so we already start this chapter, and today I asked you some questions about the safety on the road. Okay, and today you have to answer me because we already discussed the previous day. So let's start. You can open your copy book, and I will write some questions on the board, and you can copy those things. Okay, and you can practice in your home. So let's start. What is safety rules? First questions. Question 1. What is safety rules? What is safety rules? You have to answer me in full sentence. Okay, so answer me fast. Type it fast. Everyone, you have to give the answers, because some of you just give me the answers. Not everyone give this, and this questions is very easy, so everyone give me the answer. Okay, fast. Answer me fast. I'm waiting for everyone. I'm waiting. Very good, Debayon. So, Debayon said safety rules help us to keep us safe. So, what is safety rule? Very good, Kaustav. Very good. Darsh, Sritama, Jiyad, Shaptarshi. Very good. Surya, Anirban, Aritro, Arunabo Das, please turn off your camera. Arunabo, very good. So the rules that keep us safe, that is called safety rules. Very good. Arunabo, please turn off your camera. Don't turn on it. So the rules which keep us safe, those rules who help us to keep us safe, those are called safety rules, and we have to follow those safety rules at everywhere. We have to follow those safety rules at everywhere, right? So safety rules always help us to keep safe. Very good. And the next is what is the meaning about traffic lights? Question 2. How many colors in traffic signals and their name with meaning? So here this is the little big question, and you have to answer those things in a sentence. So that is little big. How many colors in traffic signals, and you have to write their name with the meaning. As we already learnt about it, we already discussed. So tell me first, everyone. Very good. Shedatri, Oishi, Mahian, Shauvik, Surya. Tell me fast. I am waiting for your answer. Very good, Debayon. Debayon told that there are 3 colors in traffic lights: red, yellow, green, and red means stop, yellow means wait, and green means go. Very good, Debayon, you gave the answer in full sentence. Very good. Everyone, you can write in full sentence answer. Okay, I already you know this already, and every day I told you. Very good, Priyankshi. Priyankshi also gave the same answer. Very good. Very good, Shauvik. Very good, Aritro. Yes, Oishi, you just give the answer in short. I told everyone to give the answer in full sentence. You have to practice it now, right? Because how many colors in traffic signals, you didn't give this answer of the question. So Ishi, Very good, Kaustubh. Sritama. As this is a big questions, so answer will be big. The yes, very good, Saptarshi. So how many colors in traffic signals and their names with the meaning? So those three colors are red, green, yellow, and their meaning are: red means stop, yellow means wait or slow down, and green means go. Very good. Very good, Anirban. So now is one question is, tell me one safety rules on the road. Question 3. 1 safety rules on the road. Very good, Devayon. We must always walk on the footpath. So here we learned many rules, many safety rules when we are on the road. And you can tell me anyone which you like, anyone, okay? Debayon said that we must always walk on the footpath. Like that, you can tell anything, those safety rules. Not those will be the same, because you have to tell me any one safety rules. Okay, any one. Very good, Shauvik, Kaustubh. Very good, Saptarshi. There are many rules, many safety rules. Don't give the same answer, Ziyad. Very good, Priyankshi. Priyankshi, we must cross the road at the zebra crossing. Anyone give this big answer of the safety rules when we cross the road? That is very important. Very good, Priyankshi. Sritama. Sritama, it's not always walk, always cross, okay? Because zebra crossing we used for the crossing the road only, okay? Not for walk. We always walk on the footpath. But when we cross the road from one side to another side, that time we must use zebra crossing. Very good, Surya, Anirban, Aditya Ganguly. So the one is, we must wait for the traffic to stop, and when we are going for going to cross the road, that first of all that we have to see the right side, then left side, again right side. If road is clear, now you can cross the road. Very good, Debayon. So there are the all rules about safety on the road. If you follow this, you will be safe on the road. So open the page number 25. Here are the some rules while traveling. Here are the some rules, some safety rules while traveling. As we already learned the safety on the road, now we have to know that those safety rules while we traveling with any vehicles. Here in the bus, we must stand in a queue at the bus stop while boarding in the bus. So when you are waiting for the bus at the bus stop, that time you have to maintain the line. You have to maintain the line while you boarding the bus stop. Don't be hurry up, and don't the break this queue for boarding the bus. And that time for everyone, you have to follow the line, you have to maintain the line while you boarding the bus. Okay, so that is the first rule while traveling. And first of all, when the bus is coming, that time you let it stop at the bus stop. Let the bus stop at the bus stop, and after it you can move down or you can get in, but never get out or get in from the moving bus. That is very dangerous for everyone, every people, that don't move down or don't get in from the moving bus. First let the bus stop, and after it you can board it or you can move down or get in. Okay, because if you run with this moving bus, you may fall down. And the next is, we must not lean out our head and hand from the window of moving bus. We already learned about it, so it's very known to us that we must not lean out our head and lean out our hand from the window of a moving bus. It also very dangerous for us. So that's why never do this. If you are sit in the window seat and at the window, so don't lean out your head and hand. And the next is, the last is, that is also very much important. We must not disturb the bus driver. We must keep quiet in the bus. We must keep quiet in the bus. If you disturb the bus driver when he is driving, that time he break the concentration which he has, and it very dangerous for everyone, every people who are in the bus. So never disturb the driver, and you have to keep quiet, you have to keep quiet in the bus. Okay, so here are the some rules when you are in traveling, or while traveling you have to maintain those safety rules. So at first you have to remember this. So let's see again. First of all, we must stand in a queue at bus stop while the bus is coming, or while you boarding the bus. And when the bus is coming, let it stop first, then get in or move down, but never get in or out from moving bus. Okay, never do this. That is very dangerous. If you do this, you may fall down from the bus, you will get hurt for this. So never do this. And the next, you must not lean out your head and your hand from the moving bus, from the window of moving bus. That also very dangerous, because you may get hurt. And we must not disturb the bus driver while he is driving the bus. When he is driving, he get very much concentration. If you disturb him, or if you don't keep quiet in the bus, he may break the concentration. So that is very dangerous for every people who are in the bus. So we must not disturb the bus driver, and we must keep quiet in the bus. So those all about the safety while traveling. And then another is in the page number 25. Open this page number 25, and that is safety at home, right? Safety at home. As you all are now and is all are now at home in these pandemic situations, so you have to remember those rules, and obviously you have to follow this nowadays, and that is safety at home. When you are at home, you must follow those rules. And the first of is, we must not jump on the bed. Must not jump on the bed. If you fall down from the bed, you will get hurt. So that's why, as you are now at home, don't jump on the bed. Don't jump on the bed. Remember this, okay? And the next is, we must not take any medicine without the permissions of our parents, because you don't know about those medicines, so don't take it by your own. Always ask your parents, and then you can take it. So without their permissions, don't take any medicines, okay? Remember this, don't take any medicines without the permissions of parents. And the next is, we must not play with sharp objects like blades, knives and scissors. We already know this, that don't play with sharp objects, because it will get hurt. We can get hurt, and if you play with those sharp objects, your skin or your external organs will be cut, so you will get hurt for this. So don't play with this. They are not playing things, okay? Those sharp objects are not playing things. And the next one, we must not touch electric wires, switch, plugs. They can give electric shock. This point you already know this. And one thing, that don't touch those electric wires or plugs with your wet hand, right? You know this, with your wet hand. So don't touch electric wires, electric plugs with your wet hand. You will get shock. You will get electric shock for this. So you have to remember those safety rules as you are in home now, and every day you have to follow this. That's why you have to first read it very attentively, right? So we completed up to safety at home. Have you any problem up to this from those lessons or from those points? Did you all understand this? If you have, you can tell me now. Okay, everyone. So read these lessons and read those points very attentively, and obviously you have to follow this. And that's all for today, everyone. Have a nice day.